description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got something interesting. This is a new one from Nissin Foods. This is their cup noodles protein, rich and savory chicken. It's got a bone broth thing going on, and I want to talk to you about it because it's interesting, but okay, what is it, 2.5 minutes? Room temp water, 2.5 minutes. Interesting. Okay. Room temp water to line. Room temp water to line. Okay. And let's get this sucker cooking. And hope we don't have any explosions. Fingers crossed. Uh-oh. Yeah, so it's cup noodles protein, and I know there's a big trend on putting protein in everything, which I think is kind of strange. Protein's really not that hard to find. I don't know why people are like, oh, I gotta get my protein, I don't mind, like, if I go out and do some exercise and stuff and come back, that's when I'll like reach for like a protein drink or something. But generally, I'm like, if somebody said, oh no, you're low on protein, your protein levels are deficient, I would go to the freezer, grab a, what do you call it? We get boneless, skinless chicken breast, and we cut it up and we freeze it, right? I would just get one of those, thaw it out, cut it up, and saute it, and then, you know, season it, and then I would have, like, gram for gram, it's all protein. So, like, 50 grams isn't a lot, right? In weight, that's almost 2 ounces, and that's like a few bites of chicken. I don't know. This one is boasting it has 16 grams of protein, and I mean, if you're vegetarian, there's protein in beans. I mean, you could eat. Well, you can eat some peanut butter, a lot of peanut butter. That's not going to work. But yeah, there are a lot of protein sources other than meat, and then there is meat. There's textured vegetable protein, which is, you know, like soybean. But I just don't get it, and I think it's a fad, and I think it's going to change out. I know they want to ride the snake, but it just doesn't seem like somebody who's like, I need to be more health conscious. Oh, look, there's instant noodles with protein. But, oh wait, it's got like 1,500 milligrams of sodium, and it's got saturated fats, and it's got all this stuff. It just doesn't... It strikes me as a solution without a problem. Insofar as, like, people going, oh, I wish my noodles had more protein, because they're going to add stuff. Oh. Okay, did you explode? No explosions here, folks. It's quite hot, though. Now, don't get me wrong. There are other brands that do a lot of this stuff that are like founded on this, like Vite Ramen. But theirs isn't just protein. It's protein and vitamins and this and that and the other thing. So, as far as nutrition goes in these, there isn't like a whole bunch of what do you call it? There's not like a whole bunch of added vitamins and minerals. Here's what it looks like. I'm really curious because this could be really good. It says it's rich and savory. That really doesn't mean anything until the rubber meets the road, but here's the noodle. Looks pretty standard. I always thought it was funny. They've got those vegetable slicers where you can make vegetable noodles, right? What if they had a meat slicer so you can make meat noodles? I guess that's kind of what hamburger is when you look at it when it's coarse. Here we go. Okay. And here's the broth. I'm going to say for something that has 1,500 milligrams of sodium, it's also got a lot of potassium. That I should mention. They might be using potassium salt, which if they are, that's great. But here, let's try another bite. Or slurp. There's something there that I don't recognize. It's not bad. Not bad at all. Very light though. I think a lot of people might go, I wish it were saltier. But I wish it had more vitamin in it. And I'm gonna add something that I reviewed the other day to see if it's gonna be my second try to see if it changes the flavor of it. This is, can I get a good shot of it? Ramen Aid. And this has like a slew. I need to change my angle. Hold on. So these are like supplement sachets, and honestly, I think you could put this in anything. But these little packets, and if you look at the back, there is like tons of vitamins and minerals. So this one is the immunity support, but you just like put it in there, and now you've got like a lot of extra stuff going on. And I want to see if I notice a change in the flavor. I don't think I will, and the last time I tried this, I didn't, so. No. I wish it were more savory. It just seems to be lacking something, and that bums me out because I was really thinking this sounds good. It's got bone broth. Maybe it'll be a little milky, creamy, really savory. Not so much. Not blowing my mind. This feels like a product that'll be on the market for a short period of time. But I could be wrong. But in the post, I mentioned, you know, there have been a lot of varieties that these guys and other companies, mind you, in the United States have put out, and then they're gone really quick. And why is that? They've got to throw a bunch at the wall and see what sticks. You know, you never know. You might have a variety that does really well. And there's also the issue with having varieties that work really well, and then having to take them off the market due to sourcing issues for certain ingredients. Oh, what do we have here? We have a pea, folks. Let's see if it's hydrated. Yeah, it is. I don't know. That was not a welcome add-in. That wasn't so great. But you know, if you want even more protein, we do have eggs. Getting there. Alright, so we got that. Add some of this. I think in the same vein, there's probably a lot of people that'd be like, why would I want to have vitamins for my ramen when I could just add in something else? I mean, there's like so many reasons to add things and not add things that it's kind of a tricky go, but yeah, either you want or you don't. But yeah, extra proteinous noodle instantaneous. Wow, there's noises in the background that are driving me nuts. But, you know, what do? We got another one coming up in a minute, so. Alright, well, I'm going to do another one that you'll see on the next episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, and that will come out on the 2nd. Wait. I don't know, I'm recording it. I'm recording it on the 1st of, I don't know. But, it'll be, if you're watching this when it came out, then it's, just letting you know, it's August 1st, 2025. I hope you're all set up for your holiday season coming up pretty quick. Anyway, there's been Hans the Ramen. Wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. The next one you're going to see is one I'm really excited about. This is Mama with their Thai Connects. I keep wanting to call it Thai Contacts and realize that I'd even been typing it that way. Thai Connects Penang. It's a creamy and sweet Thai curry with kaffir lime. This is right up my alley, and it's from Thailand. So that'll be on the next episode. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye-bye.